Welcome to the FEMA DTS video series, Managing Trainee Candidates. FEMA personnel who are qualified to be coach evaluators utilize the DTS Qualifications Management Portal to manage the qualifications process when working with trainee candidates as a coach evaluator. In this video, we'll discuss how coach evaluators are matched with trainee candidates, generally by selecting from a list of available trainee candidates or by responding to a direct request from a potential trainee candidate, how they upload documents and communicate with trainee candidates, and of course how they endorse the tasks of assigned trainee candidates. Task books are issued, managed, and maintained through the DTS Responder Portal and deployer websites. After viewing this video, we recommend that you watch the other instructional videos in this series on the official DTS YouTube channel. They're also linked from the Other Information tile on the Responder Portal homepage, along with a library of support documents. Coach evaluators manage trainee candidates utilizing the Responder Portal, which we'll take a look at now. You'll see a tile for your trainee candidates if you're deployed, and when not deployed, if you have explicit trainee candidates assigned in support of steady state operations. The trainee candidates tile will be green if all of their task books have been completed, and red if they have not, or if there are available trainee candidates in need of a coach evaluator. Click this tile to see a summary listing of your assigned trainee candidates, with columns showing their basic information including their candidate position, CE type, when their task books were started, and their progress toward completing their task books. You'll also see lists of trainee candidates who have requested you as their coach evaluator and available trainee candidates in need of a coach evaluator. There are a number of variables that figure into the required environment needed for a task to be completed, and whether someone is available to be a coach evaluator for specific trainee candidates, including the location of the coach evaluator and trainee candidate, the incident level of a deployment, and the complexity of a task. Let's first take a look at how a coach evaluator selects a trainee candidate. Coach evaluators select a trainee candidate from the list of people who have requested them as a coach evaluator by clicking the magnifying glass next to their name to launch the workflow item page for this request. Then, coach evaluators see the workflow info for this request. Above drop-down bars showing CE request info, steps in this process, and previously added comments and documents. To add a comment, click the Add Comment button. Enter your comment in the Record Comment pop-up box, and then click the Save button. Attach a document by clicking the Attach button to launch the pop-up box where you'll select a document in standard fashion based on the type of computer you use, and then click the Save button. Approve or reject the request by clicking the appropriate button to launch a pop-up box, then adding a comment, and again clicking Approve or Reject. Once deployed, coach evaluators are able to access the trainee candidate tile from the Responder Portal, which we just mentioned, and select from the available list of trainee candidates in need of a coach evaluator by simply clicking the Add button next to the trainee candidate's name, and then Yes in the pop-up box. Once the coach evaluator has selected a trainee candidate, he or she may access the responder's PTB by clicking the magnifying glass next to an assigned trainee candidate's name. To see more of their information, along with buttons to record a permanent comment to their record, attach a document, and send a message to the responder, cadre coordinator, or FQS managers. Click the Remove button, add a comment in the pop-up box, and then click Yes to remove this trainee candidate from supervision. Below this basic information, you'll see drop-downs providing more comprehensive details on their responder info, coach evaluators, training progress, behaviors and tasks, and any comments, documents, or messages already attached to this trainee candidate's task book. Most importantly, this is where a coach evaluator grants task endorsements by endorsing a single task or multiple tasks in bulk. A coach evaluator may endorse as many tasks as they desire. However, they may only bulk endorse tasks within one behavior at a time. Behaviors are groupings of tasks based on a common skill set. Click the Grant Endorsements button to see a list of endorsable tasks listed by behavior. Then click the plus sign next to a behavior to see its specific tasks by name, along with columns showing complexity and endorsements. Click Select next to all the tasks that you wish to endorse in bulk. And then the Endorse Tasks button at the top of the page. To launch the pop-up box where you must add a comment, and then click Endorse again. Click the Behaviors and Tasks drop-down to endorse tasks individually within a behavior. You can filter the results you see here by checking or unchecking the selection boxes. Then click the plus sign next to a behavior to see more information on its tasks, including their complexity, endorsements, and status. Click the magnifying glass for a specific task to launch the PTB task interface, where you can add a comment, attach a document, and endorse the trainee candidate by clicking the Endorse button to launch a pop-up box, then adding a comment as usual, and clicking Endorse again. The drop-downs below the PTB information provide listings for already completed endorsements, added comments, and attached documents. Throughout the qualifications process, automated messages are sent for important milestones, such as when a trainee candidate is assigned to a coach evaluator, or when a task book has been modified. Thank you for watching. This video is just one in a series of training and support videos available for DTS. For additional assistance, please click the Other Information tile on the Responder Portal homepage, visit the official DTS YouTube channel, or email us at FEMA-DTS@FEMA.DHS.gov.